Hey everyone, welcome back to Trade Tech Insights. Today's video is going to be a game changer for all you aspiring traders out there. Whether you're new to the world of trading or looking to refine your skills, this video is tailored just for you. I'm Mr. X, and today we'll be diving into the top 5 trading strategies for beginners. So, grab your notebooks because you won't want to miss this. 1. Understanding the basics. Before we jump into the strategies, let's quickly recap the basics. Understanding the market, analyzing trends, and managing risks are crucial for any trader. If you're not familiar with these concepts, consider checking out our previous videos on Trade Tech Insights for a solid foundation. 2. Trend following strategy. Our first strategy is the trend following strategy. Picture this: the market is like a river. Instead of swimming against the current, go with the flow. Identify trends, use technical indicators like moving averages, and ride the wave to maximize profits. 3. Breakout trading. Next up, we have the breakout trading strategy. Imagine a coiled spring. When the tension is released, it shoots up. Similarly, breakout trading involves identifying key support and resistance levels. When the price breaks through these levels, it can lead to significant price movements. This strategy is all about catching those explosive market moments. 4. Day trading. Now, let's talk about day trading. This strategy is like a sprint, quick and decisive. Day traders open and close positions within the same trading day, avoiding overnight exposure to market fluctuations. It requires a keen eye, discipline, and a solid understanding of intraday trends. 5. Swing trading. Moving on to the swing trading strategy, think of it as the rhythm of a pendulum. Swing traders aim to capture swings in the market, holding positions for days or weeks. They capitalize on short to medium-term price movements, making it a popular choice for those with busy schedules. 6. Risk management. Now, no trading strategy is complete without proper risk management. It's the seatbelt of trading, ensuring you're protected in case of a market crash. Set stop-loss orders, diversify your portfolio, and only invest what you can afford to lose. This is the golden rule for any trader, regardless of experience. Conclusion: there you have it, the top 5 trading strategies for beginners. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful trading career. Take the time to practice these strategies, stay disciplined, and always keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our valuable content. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Mr. X signing off from Trade Tech Insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep thriving in the world of trading. Cheers!